अस्सलाम वालेकुम डियर स्टूडेंट्स। आई होप ऑल ऑफ यू आर डूइंग वेल। सो ये बेसिकली ऑक्सफोर्ड मॉडर्न इंग्लिश की क्लास 8th की बुक है, ठीक है, जो कि मैं इस के अंदर फर्स्ट यूनिट इसका डिस्कस करूँगी, ठीक है। और बेसिकली जो व्हेन आई हर्ड लर्न्ड एस्ट्रोनॉमर वो मैंने ऑलरेडी डिस्कस कर लिया है। ये यूनिट नंबर 1 है, न्यू ऑक्सफोर्ड मॉडर्न इंग्लिश अ शॉट इन द डार्क। इसको हम लोग इस लेसन के अंदर डिस्कस करेंगे। इसके वर्ड्स, मीनिंग, डिफ़िकल्ट मीनिंग्स हम लोग देखेंगे, लाइन बाय लाइन ट्रांसलेशन देखेंगे और इसको समझने की कोशिश करेंगे। So basically, Philip Slitherby settled himself down in an almost empty railway carriage with the pleasant feeling of starting off an agreeable and profitable trip. इनका डिस्कशन है फिलिप स्लिथरबाय, ठीक है उनका। ही वॉज बाउंड फॉर ब्रिल मैनोर, द कंट्री रेजिडेंस फॉर न्यू एक्यूटेंस मिसिज स्लाल्ट पेनजैगो। Honoria Slalt Penjago was a person of some special importance in London and a considerable importance and influence in the country of Charleshire. The country of Yorkshire was of immediate personal interest to Philip Slitherby. It was held by the government in the for the government in the present parliament by a gentleman who did not intend to seek re-elections, and Slitherby was under serious consideration by party manager as his possible successor. तो बेसिकली जो फिलिप स्लेथरबाई हैं उनकी डिस्कशन हो रही है, और एक मिसेस सॉल्ट पेन जैगो, हनोरिया सॉल्ट पेन जैगो, जो कि बेसिकली एक इम्पॉर्टेंट इंसान है लंदन के अंदर, ठीक है। जबकि ये जो है ये वहाँ पर जा रहे हैं और कोई अपनी एग्रीमेंट करने जा रहे हैं, ठीक है। So, Sridhar Jago influence was not an item which could be left out of consideration, and Philip Sridhar had been delighted at meeting Honoria at a small and friendly luncheon party, still more gratified when she had asked him down to her country house of the following Tuesday, Friday to Tuesday. He was obviously on approval, and if he could secure the goodwill of his hostess, he might count on the nomination as an assured thing. If he failed to find flavor in her eyes, well, the local leader would probably cool off in their early enthusiasm for her. तो जो मिसेस हैं वो काफ़ी इम्पोर्टेंस की हामिल हैं, उनसे लोग मिलते हैं और वो काफ़ी चीज़ें जगह प्रोवाइड करती हैं, ठीक है, लोगों को। Among the passengers dotted about on the platform awaiting their respective trains, Slitherby spotted a club acquaintance and beckoned him up with the carriage window for a chat. Oh, you are staying with Mrs. Saltpan Jago for a week, and are you? I expect you will have a good time. She has the reputation of being an excellent hostess. Basically, वो एक hostess हैं और लोग कह रहे हैं कि अगर आप उनके साथ रह रही हैं तो आपको काफ़ी मज़ा आएगा। She will be useful to you too if the parliament project Hulo you are off. Goodbye. Slitherby waved goodbye to his friend, pulled up the window, and turned his attention to the magazine lying on his lap. He had scarcely glanced at a couple of pages, however, when a smoother curse caused him to glance hastily at the only other occupants of the carriage. His travelling companion was a young man of about 22, with dark hair, fresh complexion, and a blend of smartness and disarray that is typical of Rambler. He was searching furiously and inefficiently for some elusive or non existent object. Some from time to time he dug a six-penny coin out of waist pocket and stared at it drearily and recommenced the futile मतलब useless searching operation. A cigarette case, matchbox key, silver pencil case and railway। तो बेसिकली ये बता रहे हैं कि उनके जो साथ बैठे हुए हैं, इनके पैसेंजर जो उनके साथ दे रहे हैं कंपेनियन, वो क्या करते हैं और वो क्या कर रहे हैं, कितने उम्र उनकी, कितने साल के वो हैं, किस तरह का कॉम्प्लेक्शन है। I say, exclaimed a young voice presently, did not I hear you say you were going down to stay with Mrs. Saltpanjago at Brill Manor? ठीक है, तो उनसे वो पूछ रहे हैं कि आप, what a coincidence कि my mother, you know, I'm coming there on Monday evening, so we shall meet. I am quite a stranger, haven't seen mother for 6 months at least. I was away yachting last time she was in town. I am Bertie, the second son. You know, I say it is an awful lucky coincidence that I should run across someone who know my mother just at this particular moment. I have done an awful awkward thing. You have lost something, haven't you? Said Slitherby. तो वो उससे पूछ रहे कि तुमने कुछ खो दिया है. Not exactly, but left behind with is almost as bad, just as inconvenient anyway. I have come away without my coin purse and four quite in it. All my worldly wealth for the moment, it was in my pocket all right. just before I was starting, and then I wanted to seal a letter, and the coin purse happened to have my crest on it. So I whipped it out to stamp the seal with, and like an idiot, I must have left it on the table. I should not have put it back. तो basically वो ये बता रहे हैं कि मैंने अपना पर्स वहीं पर ही छोड़ दिया है. I think I can manage that, said Slitherby after a moment hesitation. Thanks awful, it is a jolly good of you. What a lucky thing for me. And I should have chanced across one of my mother's friend. It will be lesson to me not to leave my purse lying about anywhere. तो वो ये कह रहे हैं कि मुझे आइंदा से कभी भी अपना पर्स कहीं पर नहीं छोड़ के आना चाहिए. What is your crest, by the way? Slitherby asked carelessly. Not a very common one, said the youth, a demilion, holding a cross crestlet in a paw. When your mother wrote to me, giving me a list of trains she had, I remember rightly. So that is Jago crest, responds the youth promptly, the demilion in the salt pen crest. ठीक है, उसके बाद देयर वाज अ साइलेंस फॉर अ मोमेंट और टू एंड द यंग मैन बिगन टू कलेक्ट हिज फिशिंग टैकल एंड बिलोंगिंग्स. माय स्टेशन इज ऑन नेक्स्ट वन, ही अनाउंस्ड. वो बताता है कि मेरा स्टेशन आ गया है, तो वो गुड बाय करता है. ठीक है. I know I did. My suspicion had not been aroused, and through I had not necessarily swallowed our story. The error about the crest put on my guard, notwithstanding the really brilliant way in which you accounted for me. ठीक है, तो वो उसको बता रहा है. और एट द एंड ऑफ द स्टोरी इसी तरह होता है कि उनका जो पर्स लाया जाता है. स्लिदर बाय हर्ट नॉट अ सिंगल वर्ड नोट ऑन द डिटेल्स दैट वर बीइंग एक्सपाउंडेड. ठीक है. Change Quail Sidar by what change? What change? You don't mean to say, oh, of course you have only know her just lately. She used to have beautiful dark brown hair, which went very well with her fair complexion. The one day, about 5 weeks ago, she electrified everybody by appearing as a brilliant blonde, quite ruined her looks. There, here we are. I say, what is the matter with you? You look rather ill. ठीक है. तो इस तरह से इन्होंने बताया है कि कॉम्प्लेक्शन के बारे में थोड़ी स्टोरी है, और उसकी मदर के बारे में स्टोरी है. ठीक है, इसकी जो सेंट्रल थीम है. सो ये एक शॉर्ट स्टोरी ह्यूमरस वे में उन्होंने एक स्टोरी बताई है. ठीक है. सो दैट्स ऑल फ्रॉम माय साइड. इफ यू हैव एनी क्वेरीज यू कैन आस्क मी इन द कमेंट सेक्शन. प्लीज लाइक, सब्सक्राइब एंड शेयर माय चैनल. कीप सपोर्टिंग. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग.